Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to my new and old subscriber. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I share with you this healthy, delicious, yummy-licious oatmeal cookies that you will love. I tried out this recipe. Everyone around me requested for more and more, especially the kids. Honestly, I enjoyed these cookies. So stay with me and let me show you the ingredients needed for this recipe. We have our sugar, some flour,
As long as it concern kitchen,
butter,
belle, you know who to call. Obajo dot. Food where they wash and cook, na so so.
baking powder,
Tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, my brother. What?
pinch of salt,
It's always a solution. Looking for the
and here we have some oatmeal. The next we have some eggs. To begin, add the oats in a pan. Spread it out just the way you are seeing here on the screen, okay? So next, transfer to your cooker. Keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. Yeah, and fry for about 6 to 7 minutes, okay? After 7 minutes now, the oat is done. Transfer the oatmeal in a bowl and let it cool down completely. Yeah, so if you notice here, you will see that the oats changed color. So set it aside. While we are waiting for the oat to cool down, yeah, so next in a bowl, add the butter, sugar, pinch of salt. Then I went ahead to cream them together using my hand mixer.
belle they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger.
Keep mixing until you've gotten this consistency, yeah, and well mixed. So the next I added in the eggs.
Place where you dey. Mira's kitchen dey for you.
After adding the eggs, I went ahead and whisked until it is well combined and smooth. Just the way you are seeing here on the screen, one stone set aside. So the next, our oats has completely cooled down. Now pour in a blender and blend until it is smooth. If you have watched our video up to this point, it means you like our recipes. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also turn on your notification bell to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded.
Dey for you. Dey for you. Put score we active.
Now the oat is well blended and smooth. You can see it, right? Now back to the butter mix. Go ahead and add the oat flour and mix until it is well combined. Now we are done mixing the oats. Go ahead and sift in the flour. Add the baking powder and mix to combine.
When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. It go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey.
Now that everything is well mixed, yeah, look at it, it's so nice and smooth. Now cover and let it rest for about 15 minutes in the freezer.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself.
15 minutes later, the oat is out from the freezer. So open it up and give it a properly stir, just the way you are seeing here. You can see, yeah, the way I'm turning it. So the next, in a baking pan lined with parchment paper, scoop the dough out using your ice cream scoop. Okay, you can as well mold to your desirable size or shape. I will be repeating this until the pan is filled up. Feel free to add nuts if you want, yeah, but for me, I want it plain. Okay, the process you saw me doing here is not necessary. This is totally optional, though it was half of it that I did this. Okay, now place in the oven and bake for about 180-degree Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, or bake until it is golden brown on edges and nearly set. 14 minutes later, our oatmeal cookies is ready, and let it cool down completely. If you are making a big quantity, make sure to store them in a well-sealed, airtight container at room temperature. It is time to serve. Yeah, as you can see, the cookies look so smooth. Yeah, you barely differentiate the store-bought and the homemade. Honestly, homemade is the best. These cookies tasted super delicious, less sugar. Honestly, I enjoy it and the whole family enjoyed it too. The full list will be dropped in the description box below. Thanks for watching and see you in our next one. Remember, bless. Bye.